Façade gommage projects ultrafine dry powder onto the areas to be cleaned, dispersing them under low pressure across the surface. The powder is very light but sharp and has enough mass and energy to cut through the dirt but without affecting the stone in any way. Quick and adaptable, the system works around clients' business demands, minimizing loss of trade and disruption. The cleaning process starts within 2 hours of arrival on site. Progress can be closely monitored, and projects are completed in a fraction of the time required by traditional methods. Over 500 meters squared can be cleaned in 1 day. Façade gommage, the award-winning way to protect the past.